So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view places with hot tubs here on Expedia. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Expedia app. Once that is done, either press on the home tab in the bottom left or press on search right beside that. Then go to the top left and press on stays. Once you're on stays, select the location that you're looking to go to. So for this demonstration, I will select New York, then press on search at the bottom. Now, if you want to make sure that you're looking at listings with hot tubs being offered, make sure that you guys go to the filters and sort tab right here. So in the top left, press on this. Then you scroll down to where it says amenities and make sure that the hot tub selection is selected just like this. Then go to the bottom and press on done. Now what you're going to be seeing is all these different listings through Expedia that offer a hot tub. So it's super simple, super self-explanatory, but that is how to view places with hot tubs on the Expedia application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.